You are never given a wish without also being given the power to make it true. You may have to work for it, however. Richard Bach. Life doesn't always go as planned. Sometimes we find ourselves feeling stuck, wondering if the dreams we hold dear are even possible. But what if there's a different way to look at things, a way to take control and shape your future? You possess an incredible power, a power that can change everything. Your imagination. It's more than just daydreaming. It's the blueprint for your life, the force that can turn your desires into reality. Manifestation is the art of using this power. It's not about magic or luck. It's about understanding that your thoughts and feelings create your experiences. It's about intentionally directing your energy toward what you want and then watching as those desires come to life. In this video, we'll look into the world of manifestation. We'll uncover the simple steps that can help you transform your life, leaving behind the feeling of being stuck and replacing it with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's time to unleash the power within you and create a life that truly reflects your dreams. Your imagination is not just a playground for fleeting thoughts and daydreams. It's the most powerful tool you possess to shape your reality. The life you're living right now is a reflection of your past imaginings, a testament to the power of your thoughts and feelings. Think back to a time when you achieved something you once only dreamed of. Maybe it was a job you landed, a relationship you formed, or a personal goal you accomplished. Before it became your reality, it was a seed planted in your imagination. You nurtured it with your thoughts, emotions, and unwavering belief. And eventually, that seed blossomed into something tangible, something real. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about aligning your inner world with your desired outer world. It's about recognizing that every invention, every piece of art, every successful endeavor started as a spark in someone's imagination. The world around us is a testament to the incredible power of human creativity. And that creativity begins with imagination. When you harness the power of your imagination, you open yourself up to endless possibilities. You become the architect of your own life, designing a future that fills you with excitement and joy. The key is to be intentional with your thoughts and feelings, to cultivate a mindset that is aligned with your deepest desires. This is where manifestation comes into play. It's about consciously directing your imagination, using it to create a clear and vivid vision of the life you want. It's about feeling the emotions associated with that vision, as if it were already happening. And it's about trusting the process, knowing that with consistent focus and unwavering belief, your imagination will manifest into reality. Manifestation is a simple yet profound process, one that goes beyond mere positive thinking. It's a way to actively engage with the universe, to harness your inner power and shape your reality. At its core, manifestation involves a few key steps. Clarify your desires. Get clear about what you truly want in life. Be specific and detailed. Write down your goals, create vision boards, or simply spend time reflecting on your aspirations. Cultivate belief. Believe that your desires are not only possible, but probable. Release any doubts or limiting beliefs that may hold you back. Trust that you are worthy of receiving what you want. Feel the emotions. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with having achieved your desires. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if they were already real. This is a crucial step in aligning your energy with your goals. Take inspired action. While manifestation is about working with the energy of the universe, it's not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. Take inspired action toward your goals, knowing that the universe will support your efforts. Release and receive. Let go of any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe has your back and that everything is unfolding perfectly. Be open to receiving your desires in unexpected ways. While positive thinking is certainly helpful, manifestation goes deeper. It's not just about focusing on the good things in life. It's about aligning your inner world, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with your desired outer world. It's about becoming a vibrational match for what you want to attract. When you cultivate a positive mindset and focus on your desires with unwavering belief, you raise your vibration. You begin to attract experiences, people, and opportunities that are aligned with your higher frequency. This is how manifestation works. It's not about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe and allowing your desires to manifest effortlessly. Let's address some common misconceptions about manifestation. It's not a magic trick or a shortcut to success. It's not about simply wishing for something and expecting it to fall into your lap. It's also not a replacement for taking action or making responsible choices. Manifestation is about partnering with the universe, aligning your energy with your desires, and then taking inspired action toward your goals. It's about recognizing the power you have to shape your reality, but also understanding that it takes effort and commitment. One of the most crucial aspects of manifestation is the role of emotions. Feeling as if your desire is already real is key to bringing it into fruition. When you experience the emotions associated with having achieved your goal, joy, gratitude, excitement, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. You're essentially saying, "I'm ready to receive this." Emotions are like magnets, attracting experiences that match their vibration. When you feel positive emotions, you attract positive experiences. When you feel negative emotions, you attract negative experiences. This is why it's so important to cultivate a positive mindset and focus on the feelings associated with your desires. It's not about suppressing negative emotions. It's about acknowledging them and then consciously choosing to shift your focus to something more positive. It's about training your mind to dwell on the possibilities, not the limitations. When you do this, you open yourself up to a whole new world of opportunity. You start to see solutions where you once saw problems, and you attract abundance into your life. Recall that your emotions are a powerful force. Use them wisely, and they will propel you towards your dreams. Ignore them, and they may hold you back. By focusing on the feelings associated with your desires, you're not just wishing for a better future, you're actively creating it. Now that we've explored the principles behind manifestation, let's dive into some practical techniques to help you harness the power of your imagination and align yourself with your deepest desires. One of the most effective ways to strengthen your imagination is through visualization. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental picture of yourself having already achieved your goal. Engage all of your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste? The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. As you immerse yourself in this mental movie, let yourself feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. Allow yourself to truly experience the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if it were already happening. Another powerful technique is scripting. This involves writing a detailed story about your desired reality. Use the present tense and describe your life in vivid detail, focusing on the emotions and experiences associated with your goals. By writing your story, you're not just putting your desires on paper, you're reinforcing them in your subconscious mind. Affirmations are another powerful tool for aligning your thoughts and feelings with your goals. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and reflect your desired reality. When you repeat them with conviction, you start to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Gratitude is also a key component of manifestation. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you're opening yourself up to receive even more. Start a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your mindset and your ability to attract abundance. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you're creating an environment that supports your goals and aspirations. Recall that consistency is key. Don't just try these techniques once and expect instant results. Make them a regular part of your routine, and over time, you'll start to see amazing transformations in your life. As you strengthen your imagination and align yourself with your desires, you'll begin to attract the people, opportunities, and experiences that will help you create the life you've always dreamed of. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Some people find that meditation helps them to quiet their minds and connect with their intuition. Others prefer to create vision boards or listen to uplifting music. The most important thing is to find practices that resonate with you and make them a regular part of your life. Recall that manifestation is not about forcing things to happen. It's about working in harmony with the universe, aligning your energy with your desires, and allowing the magic to unfold. Trust the process and have faith that your dreams are already on their way to becoming your reality. The path to manifesting your dreams is rarely a straight line. Along the way, you're bound to encounter doubts, setbacks, and moments of uncertainty. But these challenges are not roadblocks. They're stepping stones on your journey to success. When doubts creep in, acknowledge them without judgment. It's natural to have moments of disbelief or fear. But instead of letting those doubts consume you, use them as an opportunity for growth. Revisit your goals, reconnect with your vision, and remind yourself of the reasons why you're pursuing this path. Setbacks are inevitable, but they don't define you. When you encounter a challenge, view it as a chance to learn and grow. Ask yourself what you can take away from the experience and how you can use it to move forward. Recall that even the most successful people have faced setbacks along the way. It's how you respond to those setbacks that truly matters. When you feel discouraged, don't give up on your dreams. Take a step back, reassess your approach, and try again. Recall that persistence is key. The most successful people are not those who never fail, but those who refuse to quit. Share your goals with them and ask for their encouragement and support. Sometimes, all it takes is a kind word or a listening ear to help you get back on track. Recall that manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously growing, learning, and evolving. Don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Accept the challenges, learn from the setbacks, and keep moving forward with unwavering determination. The life you desire is waiting for you, and with persistence and resilience, you will achieve it. You hold within you the power to transform your life, to turn your dreams into reality. Manifestation is not a magic solution, but it is a powerful tool that, when combined with your effort and belief, can open up a world of possibilities. Take the time to explore your desires, to feel the emotions associated with achieving them, and to take inspired action towards your goals. Don't let doubts or setbacks deter you. Keep in mind that this is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you envision. If this video has resonated with you, please show your support by liking it and subscribing to the channel. Your engagement helps to spread this empowering message to others who may be seeking a way to create a life they love.